To install PyCharm on your computer, open your web browser, then on the search bar, type PyCharm, press enter. So these are the links that they are giving. So on this first link, click on the first link. This is the website of JetBrains. So to download PyCharm, go to the download page. So this is the professional version. Comes with the free 30 days trial. Don't download that one. Scroll down, then we get to the community version. This is what will be installed. I'm using Windows PC, so that is automatically it has selected it for. Just go ahead, click on the download button, choose the location where you want it to be installed. So I want it to be installed on downloads, so I'll click on downloads and save. So I'll wait for it to finish downloading and I'll continue the process. So I'll go to downloads. On downloads, you can see the file right here. This is the extension file, so we now need to install it on our PC. Click on it. So I'll click on next, click on next. Take note of this. Check on this add bin folder to the path. Check on this, and also check on this checkbox to create a desktop shortcut icon. Also check on this add open as a project. For this, you'll be able to open your folder in PyCharm without necessarily going to PyCharm to now open your project there or your folder there. I think this is okay, but it's okay. This is what I want to. So for this, move on with it, then we continue the installation. So wait for it to finish. Now you can restart your PC. Because I'm currently working on something, I won't restart it now, but it's good to restart before you start using it. So I want to do it manually. So I can see PyCharm. This is it. PyCharm, I'll open it. So if you want to create a new project, just click on this icon. If you want to create a new Python script or Python file where you write your code, click on this icon. If you also create a project or a project that you have worked on it and you want to continue, you use this button to clone your repo from GitHub. Whether you're working with, you want to clone codes from GitHub or your project from GitHub, also use this. Go ahead and create a project. You type the name of your project. The name of your project, let me just say hello. So I'm done with this. So leave them like that, but make sure that you have an interpreter here. So currently the interpreter that is working here is 3.12.3. You can also come here if you have different versions of Python that you want to choose. So these are them. Choose the interpreter that you want. This interpreter is working there. After selecting the interpreter, then you come to create. We are done with that. So inside my project, I will create a file that I'll write on Python script. So come to file, then you move to new. On new, I'll choose Python file, then the name of the Python file that I'm writing. So I'll say hello. Because I've chosen Python file, I don't need to add the extension there. So press enter. So I'll just show you some basic features there. I want to print hello world. I want to display or execute my code. So how do I do this? I can click on this run button or I use the terminal. So to run my code, I'll go to the terminal, open my terminal, and make sure you're in the project folder, same directory. Type this command Python, then the name of the script. Perform this task for me. What I'm doing here is that I'm telling the computer that run Python file called hello. This is more convenient. You can also feel free to use this button, the run button to run. So after this, you press enter and it comes. Congratulations. If you want to create a new project, you come here, create a new project. The name of your project, I would like to leave it as Python project 1. I just like to add one there. It's loading the interpreter here. It has loaded the interpreter. So I'll just hit create this window. So to create a file where you write your codes there, in your project folder, go to the main menu, new, choose Python file, and type name of the file. So you type something, print, then you run it. So you type this command there, type Python, then the name of your script with the extension, press enter. So my name is Step Code. Congratulations. Feel free to explore the features and the tools in it. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.